What if I told you that you didn't have to wait till the end of your lease to get into a new vehicle? And the best lease offers of the year are waiting for you and only you. This is your exclusive invitation to the Advantage Ford VIP lease event happening right here, January 15th and 16th. As one of our value guests, you're invited to this private event where you'll get access to rates as low as 0% and up to $10,000 cash back. Also factory order bonuses, food and door prizes. And with every new lease, you'll receive a $500 loyalty bonus or we'll cover your first payment. It's our way of saying thank you for being a part of the Advantage Ford family. This is your chance to experience a lease event tailored just for you, January 15th and 16th at Advantage Ford. RSVP now to secure your spot because anything can happen at Advantage Ford.